Members of the Social Security System Insurance Fund, or SSS, who are in financial straits at the moment should seize the opportunity of emergency loans offered by the SSS at an APR, or annual percentage rate of 7%. This as the President enjoined SSS members to exploit this deal, given the country's state of calamity status, as our Clazel Pardilla expounds in this report.
Crushed by mounting bills and a sibling's college tuition, maintenance worker Melvick was left with no choice but to borrow money. Melvick sank deeper into debt after he was charged 3 times the amount he borrowed.
6K yung una kong nalon. Ang nalon kong 6K, pero hindi po buo binigay na 6K. Kasi po may mga kaltas na admin fee, charge ng deposit. And then, hindi ko po alam na 3 times pala ang babayaran ko sa inutang ko.
So 6K, magkano binayaran mo lahat?
Nasa 18K po lahat. After 2 years na bayaran ko, sabi ko hindi na ako uulit.
To help ease the burden of workers like Melvick, good news from President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Effective this December as the country remains under a state of national calamity, members of the Social Security System, or SSS, may avail of an emergency loan. The interest rate, 7% per year, meaning for a 5,000 pesos loan, only 350 pesos in interest payable within 12 months.
Bukod pa riyan ay meron tinatawag na 6-month moratorium. Ibig sabihin, pagtanggap ninyo ng loan galing sa SSS, sa 6 na buwan, sa unang 6 na buwan, hindi kayo kailangan magbayad. Maganda po ito kasi imbis na pupunta po kayo sa 5-6 at mapasubo sa malalim na utang, ay meron na kayong magagamit at ang babayaran lang ay 7% lamang. Kaya sana ito ay makatulong po sa inyo lahat.
Qualified SSS members may submit applications through the agency's website or via the SSS mobile application. According to President Marcos, coordination continues with the SSS to ensure continuous, safe, and fair benefits and loan assistance for members of the government's social insurance program. Clazel Pardilla for the New and Better Philippines.